Ta-da-da-da.
You're in the corner.
Do you have a piece of paper? We're gonna do a trick here. Oh no, there's nuts coming out on my feet now.
Hi, Peter.
There's like nuts all over the floor.
Can you imagine if you were a fly?
Oh, they're all nasty.
Fly.
Like this. Did you find something?
I checked again. Oh, checked again. It's 5.5 for all the videos.
Okay.
Not including your blog? No. I don't know. All of it.
It's good. It's weird.
I'm gonna do the guide of today.
It's already 1 minute. Come on.
Okay, start a new one.
No, just do it. Okay, this one.